Whether you're looking for your first home, second home or an investment property, the Ellis Edge team will give you the edge with selling or buying a home today. We are a part of the top 20 agents in 2017. Call us for all your real estate needs. Curb appeal galore in this well-finished, remodeled rancher in the heart of Foley. Minutes to downtown, OWE, and outlet malls. Custom wood and tile flooring and crown molding throughout. Adjoined living room and kitchen lend to open floor plan concept. All brick 3/2 boasts granite counters, backsplash, and bar seating for 4, in the spacious kitchen. Ample storage in the real wood cabinets. Dine install by the wood-burning fireplace in the large eat-in breakfast that accommodates a full-size dining room table. Well-appointed master suite. Oversized 2-car garage workshop with dual power doors comes equipped with granite-topped 6 feet wet bar with fully functional sink, massive woodworking table, and wall pegboard. Custom wainscoting is just one of the many examples of the attention to detail put into this home. Large deck for entertaining in the fully fenced, landscaped backyard. Schedule